In the ancient world, the Oracle of Delphi stood as a beacon of wisdom, a mystical seer revered by emperors and commoners alike. Nestled in the verdant slopes of Mount Parnassus, the sanctuary of Apollo was a testament to the power of ancient wisdom traditions. The oracle's fame was not unwarranted. Her prophecies guided the paths of kings, shaped the course of empires, and even influenced the fates of entire cities. But behind the veil of mystery that shrouded her, the oracle was a mortal woman, entranced by the vapors of a sacred chasm, the Pythia, believed to be the mouthpiece of Apollo himself. In the 4th century BCE, the oracle faced a crisis unlike any other. The Macedonian conqueror, Alexander the Great, sought her counsel as he prepared to embark on a campaign that would shake the foundations of the ancient world. The oracle, in her trance, spoke of a young man, radiant and unstoppable, who would bring destruction to the Persian Empire and usher in a new era of peace. Alexander, captivated by the prophecy, sought to confirm its authenticity. He journeyed to the oracle, seeking her wisdom. The oracle, in her trance, confirmed the prophecy, her words echoing in the hallowed chambers of the temple. Emboldened by the oracle's words, Alexander embarked on his campaign, his armies sweeping across the known world like a storm. His conquests were swift and brutal, culminating in the capture of Persia and the establishment of the Hellenistic Age. The oracle's prophecy, once fulfilled, left a profound impact on the ancient world. The legacy of the Oracle of Delphi continued to inspire awe and reverence for centuries to come, a testament to the enduring power of ancient wisdom traditions. Though the oracle's prophecies were often shrouded in mystery, their influence on the ancient world cannot be understated. The Oracle of Delphi, with her cryptic utterances, stood as a symbol of the power of wisdom, guiding the actions of kings and shaping the destiny of nations. Her legacy, a testament to the enduring allure of ancient wisdom, continues to captivate historians and scholars to this day.